Smart Cookies, a tough batch of home-baked heroes. There's the tech genius, Figby, Misfortune, Chipowski, and the rookie Cookie Monster.
Hello!
Together, they have one mission, to stop the crumb.
Today, I'm going to mess up someone's picture. Photobomb!
I've located the crumb!
Let's roll!
Whoa!
Will the Smart Cookies catch the crumb? Find out now on Smart Cookies.
Smart Cookies!
Reporting for duty.
It's Giselle Biscotti, world-famous supermodel. She's the most famous cookie in the whole wide world.
Oh, she look delicious! Nom, nom,
Take
nom,
me
nom.
instead.
Okay.
No, Smart Cookies.
Wha-
Focus.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, Smart Cookies, please. You must make sure the crumb doesn't disrupt my very important photo shoot.
Okay.
All right, Smart Cookies, you heard the lady. Let's make sure the crumb does not get in here. Cookie,
Yeah.
do you remember what the crumb looks like?
Yes, me do. Actually, no, me have no idea.
Bigby,
Yeah, crumb,
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Me remember this
it
guy.
is the crumb. Focus on his face, Cookie Monster, and whatever you do, do not let him get in here.
There is no way this guy getting past me. Me on it.
Delivery for Giselle Biscotti.
Oh, yes, go right ahead, sir.
Okay.
Whoa.
What?
Wait a minute. You have same face as Crumb.
Ah, don't be ridiculous. I'm wearing this designer nose cozy.
Oh, yeah. Nose cozy, very fashionable.
Thank you.
Okay, go right ahead,
All
sir.
right. Oh, to begin. I think this photo shoot could use a taste of my sneeze Danish.
Not here. Oh no! There's pepper everywhere. It's making us achoo! Sneeze! Oh.
Oh, my nose, where is it?
I'll get it. Yes.
Thank you. Please, Smart Cookies, do something before I lose my whole face.
Me know how to solve this problem. Hiya. Achoo.
You see a sneeze Danish and you try to tackle it? Rookie mistake.
Wait, I'm getting a clue. To stop the Danish, we need something you use to clean the house?
Me got it. Toothbrush. Yeah.
My whips.
Why toothbrush not work?
Because you don't clean a house with a toothbrush. You gotta stop and think it through. Achoo!
Me have no idea what you use to clean the house.
Bigby, what do you got?
Searching now. Oh, a feather duster and a broom and a vacuum cleaner.
Me know. Me feather dust the pepper away.
Don't.
Achoo. Achoo.
Oh, salam.
Achoo. Oh, why feather duster not working?
Because you didn't stop and think it through.
Oh, right. Yeah. Okay, me try something else. Maybe broom. Yeah. Wait a minute. Me better stop and think it through. If me hit sneeze Danish with broom, maybe it make more pepper. But if me use vacuum, that suck things up. So maybe vacuum suck up Danish. Yeah. Okie doke. Cowabunga!
It's working. Turn it up higher.
Oh, yeah.
Way to think it through, Rookie. That was awesome.
Oh, you win this round, Smart Cookies. But I'll be back.
After him!
Oh, no. Smart Cookies, wait.
No need for thank you!
What about my face?
What we need is some kind of mental picky-uppy thingy. Come on, Sock, don't let me down. How did this get in there? This is not a super tool.
Hey, I think that's a magnet.
Whatever it is sticking to my helmet.